to that bar there. Next, we need to set our buttonhole. It's going to be a 5. You're going to go all the way to your buttonhole. It's going to be a 5. You're going to go all the way to your buttonhole, and you're going to do the bottom to your buttonhole as well. Things that we need to do to set up with our buttonhole is we need to bring down the lever. And that's the lever that's going right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to make sure that our button is actually going to kick over and come back up. So that lever is found right in the back here, and you want to make sure that it hits your buttonhole foot. So even on my test sample, I'm going to draw a line straight across because that's going to indicate where I'm going to start. And I want to make sure that the starting point is going to zigzag right along this line so that my 2 buttonholes are going to start at the same point. This middle part is going to be the area that's going to be open, and we're going to be stitching beside it. So when I line it up, it's always going to come forward. I want to make sure that this straight line is lined up right in the center of my button, and then that this area here is following backwards. So we're going to do it that the line is facing us, and I'm going to make sure that my needle is going to land directly on this line here. And if you look inside your buttonhole foot, there's this little dip down into the middle, and we want to make sure that our orange part or our line is right along there. Right in there, right in that center point is this little dip down, and you want to make sure that your orange line is lined up directly along that, and that when you place your needle in the down position, it's going to go directly on that orange line going this direction. So now that my presser foot is down, you can see that I've got a bit of a cross there. Okay. When my needle goes in the down position, it is directly on that cross line. And then it's going to come across, it's going to go down, it's going to come across and come back up. And that orange line is going to stay in the center of my buttonhole. Now you need to reset and back again and line up your second buttonhole.